Yeah, that'll come from like, get me in my hat.
So one of my friends, Mark Coleman, made a proof of concept video for his short film The Fly Tipper, which featured two people dogging before unsuspectingly getting killed by an autonomous evil Hoover. And I was inspired by this idea of a moment that's supposed to be romantic or sexual actually doubling up for a suspense build-up. In these moments you're at your most vulnerable, so I experimented using precise sounds of the belt buckle whilst the sound of the forest fades away to raise suspense.
So there's loads of hornets about, and the thought of one landing on my neck whilst I'm filming is freaking me out.
Terrifying.
So I thought, let's just, I don't want to get bugged out, pun intended. So I've got this anti-hornet garment going on.
For the head removal, I did a camera test a few weeks before the shoot to see if you could fake a no head in shot, and it actually worked really well, although Charlie couldn't tilt his head back as far as my friend could. So we thought with lots of blood, although the blood kept running very quickly, so we had to shoot very quickly. It had quite a few takes, and then I just squashed the shot in post-production to make it look more stumpy and less like a chin. But then what really sells it is this side-on shot. Shot a background plate without them in it, and then I traced around them, minus Charlie's head, and put that back into the image. Then I put in some red and added a camera shake back in to match the filmic style that I'd gone for with the rest of the film. Interestingly, we still didn't have a design for the villain the morning of the shoot. I'd pulled together some big coats I'd had since my early filmmaking days, and then suddenly, not really knowing what to do with the face, I decided to get rid of it, thinking how haunting that would be for when we pan up, just to have no face. I'm currently exploring the mythology surrounding the faceless man or woman, and they'll definitely return soon for a future film, and I think it's really exciting to think about what could happen next, or where he came from and why he has no face.